Today I'm going to show you. I want to install Windows 11 in this hard disk, SSD hard disk, but it won't install. You see, it can't able to actually install. Press Shift plus F10. Shift plus F10. Say disk part. Type disk part. Then select list disk. You see, disk 0 and disk 1. Disk 1 actually is my pen drive and disk 0 the SSD hard disk. So we will type select disk 0. Select disk 0. You see, disk 0 is now selected. Now I will press clean. It's now cleaning the disk. Now I want to, this is in MBR mode. I want to convert this to GPT. So I will type convert GPT. You say disk part successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. So now I will exit this. Exit. This is now in GPT format. In previously it was MBR format. Now it is GPT format. So I will do a partition. You see the partition created. I will install Windows in this partition.